a white pizza dip, and I love white pizza. This is just basically that without the crust. So I got some cream cheese here that I have let soften. It's an entire 8-ounce brick of cream cheese. And then I'm gonna add in some mayonnaise, about a half a cup of mayonnaise. I feel like I learned how to be competitive growing up with Beth, because Beth is, I always say Beth is the kinder, gentler version of me, and she totally is. But she's also, she's always been a competitor. She always played sports. But if you watch her, like watch a baseball game or a football game, I'm just saying, she becomes a different person. And I added in about a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. So mix these together, just kind of break up that cream cheese. And white pizza is just that. Instead of the red marinara sauce, it has a white creamy base. All right, now I'm gonna chop up a few things to go in here. I've got some rosemary, and I've got some oregano, and I've got some garlic, and then I've got some roasted red pepper, about 3/4 of a cup that I'm just gonna chop up and put all in the bowl. Fresh herbs are always great if you can find them. And I'm just gonna mince a couple of cloves of garlic and about a teaspoon each of oregano and rosemary. Oh, it smells good. All right, this is our garlic. Roasted red pepper is one of my favorite things. It just adds so much flavor. Pizza's great for bowling. I feel like when you go to the bowling alley, there's always pizza, but I also feel like every sport has a pizza stand. And I know at home, if we're watching a football game or a baseball game or having friends over, pizza is always a good option, right? And it's always easy. You can make it yourself, you can order it in. It's always the thing. All right, this is ready to go in. So I'm also gonna add in some cheese, of course, and I'm adding in classic pizza cheeses, mozzarella cheese, which you've gotta have, right? Because it is classic on pizza. About a cup of mozzarella. And a cup of provolone, which is nice and creamy. And then about a 1/4 cup of Parmesan, which adds that nice salt. I love Parmesan. And then we're gonna mix it all together. Beth was also always good at every sport. I don't know what kind of bowler she is. We're gonna find out. I know what kind of bowler I am, so I'm hoping she's really bad. Because I have fun, but my score's not that great. All right, now we're gonna put this into a pie plate. Spread it around. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good. I think this might be Garth's birthday cake this year. I feel like he would love this. I'm just gonna add another 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese over the top. Just gonna sprinkle over. And this is gonna go into the oven at 400 degrees, just until it's brown and bubbly. Beth will be here soon and we'll taste this together. It smells like pizza. Bowling and pizza, which go together so well.
Totally.
I made this white pizza dip and it was really hot, so I waited for you so that we could try it. It's still really nice and warm, and I think that we should try it.
I think we should.
Because you need pizza for every gathering.
Oh my. Mm-hmm. That's really good. Thanks for waiting for me.
That is good, y'all.
That's good. I have this other half a chip, so you know.
It's got mozzarella, provolone, and Parmesan.
That's delicious.